guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it feels different because I'm sitting at my kitchen table and I never sit at my kitchen table for my videos. But anyway, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily Love. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger, and here on my channel I do a lot of styling videos, try on hauls, and I'm gonna try to do vlogs every now and then, but we'll see how that goes. You guys let me know the kind of video you would like to see from me. But anyway, I run an online boutique called Shop Emily Love. I'm going to put all of my info in the description. A few of you requested on Instagram that I do a spend a day with me kind of vlog. I was like, really? You guys really want to see what I do? But okay. I didn't think anyone cared, but why not? And today's Saturday. It's currently 7:30 a.m. I have a busy day today, so I figured I'd bring you guys along with me. I just finished doing my makeup. The light in my kitchen is so good. So I always do my makeup in my kitchen, but I took my braids out and I need to curl my wig and put it on. That's why I look like this. And then we're gonna go into my office and I'll show you guys what I'm working on today. I have a campaign with Nordstorm for the holidays. I need to pull up my Christmas tree really quick. I picked up the dresses yesterday, but I didn't try them on, so I need to try the dresses on. And then my assistant is gonna come over to help me take some photos because my photographer was booked this weekend and I need the photos by Sunday and today's Saturday. So she's gonna come over and try to help me do that. I am a creature of habit. I always do my makeup the same way. I don't really change much about it, but I wanted to show you guys because I tried something new. I tried the Nars Soft Matte foundation for the first time because I needed a new foundation. I use Fenty, but I have a lot of hyperpigmentation and acne scars, and sometimes the Nars foundation don't cover that. Not the Nars, the Fenty foundation doesn't cover that. So this was recommended and I tried it and I love the way it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. Looks flawless. I love it. And then my girlfriend actually had this, what is this called? Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a setting spray. She had like a mini travel size that came in a gift bag, and I tried it and I love it. It kept my makeup in place all day. So I also picked this up from Sephora. The two new things I tried. And my makeup looks great. At least I think it looks great. I'm not a makeup artist, but love them. You can see I still have my Sephora bag. But that's about it. That's the only new thing I try. I'm gonna grab my phone. We're gonna go get my hair. I'm gonna put my hair on. We'll go into the office and then I'll show you guys the dresses, and then I'm gonna try to pull up the tree really quick. Hopefully this goes well. This is my first time doing this, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit that I slept in and just been lounging around in. If you saw my Old Poly haul, this was sent to me from Old Poly, but I will link a few down for you guys to check out. It's just great for hanging out in the house or sleeping or working from home. I love it. We're gonna do that, and then my days are usually pretty busy. So I'm gonna do my best to capture as much as I can. We're gonna do that really quick, and then I have to, my son just woke up, so we're gonna try to make him breakfast, and then we'll go from there. All right, let's go. Hey guys. So this is me. I'm gonna try to put my ring light on because the light in here is not that great. Let me do that. Let's see what. Okay guys, this is as good as the light is gonna get, but I threw on my wig. I still need to curl it and get it together, but this is my outfit. I've been living in these slippers from Express. They are so comfortable. If you haven't checked out the Express early Black Friday sale or Black Friday sale, I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but if you haven't checked it out yet, you need to check it out. This is a 3-piece set, but I couldn't find the coat for this color. So I just wore this one because I'm not going anywhere, I'm in the house, but this is the set. Super soft, and we'll go over there and I'll show you guys the dresses, and I'm gonna try to put that Christmas tree up. Ooh. That's my assistant that just texted me and told me she's gonna be here soon, so I need to get my ish together. So let's go check out the dresses. So these are the 3 dresses. We have this gold one. Maybe when I put it on, you guys will see. We have this one, and then we have this sparkly. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and do this at the same time, but let's see if I can turn it around. And then we have, oh, this one is so pretty. I haven't tried on any of these dresses yet, so I hope they fit. And then the one that I'm really excited about is this red one. over here. Oh, this is so pretty. Ooh, excuse my ring light in the back. The light in here is not the best, so we need the ring light. But those are the 3 dresses. I'm gonna run into the back of the house and go into the shed and grab my Christmas tree because it's back there, and then we're gonna try to set it up quickly. I don't know where we're gonna put it, but we're gonna put it in here somewhere because that's my office Christmas tree or my store Christmas tree. I don't know what to call it. And then we're gonna set up the tree. So let's go do that. Guys, my hair looks so crazy. I'm gonna have to curl it really quick, but Sarah's here, so I'm gonna go grab the tree, and then she's gonna try to put the tree up while I curl my hair. We decided that we're gonna go outside and shoot the outdoor photos first since it's early, and there won't be a lot of people there, and then we're gonna come back and do the indoor photos. But I'll turn the camera around and show you guys where my tree is. Hold on. Where my Christmas tree is, I have a little shed in the back of my house. Since I use my garage for my office, I needed somewhere to put all the junk. So this is where all the junk is hiding. Let's see, where's this Christmas tree? Oh, it's right here. And I got this tree from Walmart. Ooh. Let's grab it and go quick. I don't even know where all the decors are. My goodness. All right, let's grab it. Okay, so Sarah was setting up the tree in my office, and I had to make Ethan breakfast really quick because he woke up and we brushed his teeth. He was in the living room watching TV, so I just had to make him a quick little breakfast for him to eat. He's a really picky eater, so it's always a struggle trying to figure out what he's gonna eat. And most of the time, he doesn't even eat what I give him. But most days he would eat he would just eat cereal and milk. But I've been trying to try different things to see if he would do that. Today we did cereal, and then I bought these box milk. I don't really know what they're called, from Amazon. They come in like chocolate flavor, vanilla, and strawberry. So we're testing that out to see if he will try something new, and then slices of apple and grapes. I usually just give him a lot of stuff. And then hope that he eats something. Hey guys, so we are back. Well, I'm back. I'm back from the shoot. As you guys can see, I already started putting the Christmas tree up because I needed to take some photos about the tree. I'm sorry I didn't take you guys with us. So the photo shoot, I completely forgot, and then I was just super busy. I really needed to just get these photos, and Sarah, my assistant, or the girl that helps me out, I don't know what to call her, she had to leave. She had to leave by 12 p.m. So I wanted to make sure we got all the shots that we needed before she leaves. So I didn't want to be messing around with the phone trying to record. I'm really bad at this vlogging thing, but I'm going to try my best. I have to finish putting the tree up. I'm saying on my computer. My desk is a little bit messy, but I'm waiting for the photos to upload. Ooh, the light looks good. I came back and put the same outfit on because it's just so cozy. But let's move. This is the tree. We haven't really done much to it, as you can see. I have to find the rest of the ornaments to put on there. This is my office tree, or this is my store tree. I don't know what to call it. I use it to do my Christmas shoot for my boutique. I'm gonna go get the rest of the items. I'm gonna get the rest of the ornament to put on there, and then we're gonna try to finish decorating the tree. These are some of the ornaments, and then I have this one from here on the floor. I have more stuff. I just have to figure out where they are. And this is what this place looked like after a photo shoot. It's always a mess after a photo shoot, so I have all of this to clean up. And then I was gonna do an Amazon haul for you guys because I have a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I shot a campaign for Amazon. I shot a campaign for Amazon, so I have a bunch of stuff here that I'm gonna try to do a video. But my girlfriend is having a birthday party for her son, so I'm gonna get Ethan ready, and then we're gonna go to the party because it's a nice day. I want to get him out, and then I'll probably edit some of the photos while we're at the party. If I can film, I'm gonna film and show you guys. But let's go get Ethan ready. Look at that mess back there. Oh my god, I have to come back and finish the tree. The photos are still uploading back there on my desktop. Let's go. This foundation is really nice. Hey guys, it is currently Monday. Last time we spoke was Saturday. I took Sunday off after the party. I just closed this door and I did not enter here. So it's Monday morning and I am gonna clean up the mess. And I think I want to redo the office, just move things around because my Christmas shoot is on Tuesday. Today's Monday. My Christmas shoot is on Tuesday and I just want more space. So I think I'm going to reorganize the office. Reorganize? Yeah. Move things around and see what it's like. Because right now, the office, I feel like it's just too much stuff. Office slash studio space. It's just so much stuff in there. So I decided to move the desk to the smaller wall. This will give me more wall space on the other side. As you guys can see, I'm just like moving things around. I moved the shelf to the other wall and that's me struggling with it, trying to figure out if I like it. I don't really know if I'm gonna like it here. I'm just kind of testing it out to see how it looks because I wanted more space and I needed to get rid of some stuff. And I figured the tree would look better on the other side. There's a little corner on the other side. Once I turn the camera around, you guys will see. But I love this desk because it's super lightweight and it's easy to move around. And the shelf too is pretty easy to move around. I didn't have to take anything off of it. I moved it around without any help. That's me. I usually just stand back and look at things to make sure it looks good. But I just wanted to declutter. Okay, so I think I am going to declutter and take everything off the shelf because it's just been looking really busy these few days and I can't think properly when stuff is busy. But this is what the other side of the wall looks like. It's very clean. It doesn't have a lot going on, just the way that I like it. For video purposes and photo shoot purposes, I just like to have a lot of wall space and a lot of clean wall space because I do take the photos for my boutique in this space. I found my boxes of ornaments and I was very happy. A lot of them I got from Michael's Home Goods and Burlington Coat Factory and the Dollar Tree. The little white snowflakes I got from Burlington Coat Factory. What am I saying? I got them from the Dollar Tree. I love the Dollar Tree because I found a lot of good pieces there for, great prices. You guys know I'm very cheap. I love a good deal. But I love those little tree stuffers. I don't even know what they are, if that's what it was meant for, but I got those from Michael's and I think they're just so pretty. And the tree is not as full, so I like to use them to just kind of like stuff it in there and fill up empty spaces that the tree have. I usually buy my Christmas stuff after Christmas because, I like to get that deal. So everything I bought was like 50 to 75% off. It was pretty affordable. And I like really nice ornaments. I don't like cheap ornaments. So I can't afford them on a regular day. Well, I could afford them, but I'd rather buy them on sale. But they are all very pretty. I love all of them. Yeah, this one is one of my favorite. I had it for like 2 years now and I just love it. I think I got that from Michael's as well. But anyway, I'm just finishing up the tree. This ornament is from Burlington Coat Factory. I bought this for $4 after Christmas, I think. But look at all that space, y'all. It just looks so much better. Now, I'm going to try to put away all the stuff from my Amazon shoot. I did a collab with Amazon. I think I told you guys that. I am part of the Amazon influencer program, so I do monthly stuff for them on IG. So I'm just going to put all that stuff up on the rack, and then I'm going to try to shoot a YouTube haul for you guys to show you guys the items. I might do that on Tuesday after the photo shoot, or I might do it on Wednesday, depending on how I am feeling after the photo shoot. Because, photo shoot be a lot. It takes a lot out of me, and I still have a lot of things to do. I have to mail out you guys packages and a whole bunch of other things that you guys probably don't want to hear about. But I might do that Amazon haul on Thursday. This is what the tree looks like now. It still needs a tree skirt and a tree topper. A tree topper? I think that's what it's called. A tree topper, like a star to go on top of it. And I don't know if I want to put more ornaments. I think I want to get those tree stuffers. I'm just going to call it tree stuffers because I don't know what it's called. Hi, that's me. And just kind of make it look a little more full. That's all the stuff from Amazon. It's going to be a good haul. I'm excited about that. And this is what the desk space looks like. I have to clean all of that up and just get this place in order where my office space or my workspace is clean and organize and declutter, y'all, I could just think so much better. I am just so much happier. That's what the shelf looked like with everything off. I ran to Target because I wanted to get some little decors to just kind of put on the bookshelf. I didn't want to do a lot so it don't get too busy. I want to keep it as simple as possible. I wanted that sign, but it was 30 bucks and I was just not trying to spend $30. I love Target. They have so many good decors, but y'all, they are so expensive. And y'all know I don't be trying to spend no money. I'm cheap. But how cute are those little Christmas trees? They were like 15 bucks. So I pick up a few. I didn't really find a lot in Target. I guess because I had an idea of what I wanted and they didn't really have much of what I wanted. So I might go to Home Goods later this week and I'll take you guys with me. But it's not going to be part of this video because I'm trying to keep this as short as possible. I like something like that to go on the shelf. Something that says joy or Noel or peace. But that one was just a little too expensive for my comfort. But I like this little sparkly tree thingies and they was only $6. $6. So I'm gonna grab one of that. Good morning, guys. It is what day is it? Tuesday. It's Tuesday. I just dropped my son up to school. Hair and makeup is done. I'm waiting for the photographer to get here. We're gonna shoot my boutique holiday collection. Oh, air freshener. We're gonna shoot my boutique holiday collection. Some of the pieces are here and some of them haven't been delivered yet. So we're just gonna go ahead and shoot what we have. My cousin is gonna be helping me model some of the stuff. We have about 16 pieces. She's gonna model some and then I'm gonna model some, which is great because you guys get to see it on a different body type. So I'm excited about that. The collection is gonna be launching December 1st, but probably all the stuff won't be on there because I'll have to shoot them at a different time when they arrive. But we're gonna go in the office. You guys saw me set up the tree yesterday and kind of just move things around. So let's go shoot. Wish me luck. Okay, guys, this is what the space looks like after cleaning up. I still need to clean because I have a lot of stuff on the other side, but my desk looks so much better. It's super clean. It have less stuff on there. The bookshelf don't have all that drama going on. I didn't find much decor at Target. Like I said, I'll probably go to Home Goods and look for more, but I did pick up that little glittery tree. And then I picked up that deer. Is that a reindeer? I think that was like $10. And then I got the box. I think that box is just so cute. But I might pick up a few more things from Home Goods. This is what the tree looks like. I didn't get a chance to go to Michael's to get the tree stuffers and the tree topper. I hope I'm saying these things right. But that's what the tree looks like. And we're just going to work with what we have for now because it is what it is. This is a little behind the scenes of the photo shoot. As you guys can see, I am always the first model. And then I usually find someone else to be model number 2. Most of the time I can't find someone. So I model all of the stuff. I know people are like, oh, you're so small. We like to see it on other people. But if I can't find other people to do it, I'm not going to kill myself trying to find someone to do it. But yeah. This collection is going to be very cozy. It's going to be a lot of loungewear. I don't really think I have a lot of dresses. A lot of like sweater dresses because, of course, we're all staying in. So we're going to keep it cozy. I usually look at every photo. Well, not every, yeah. Every outfit when we're done shooting, I look at the photos because I want to make sure it's right before I change. And yeah, this is what it looks like behind the scenes. The photos came out actually really, really good. So you guys will be seeing that December 1st when the collection launches. If you want to sign up for my newsletter to be the first to know, you could do that. That's my photographer, Jamie. She's so sweet. I love her. She's amazing. We've been working together for a while now, and she's great. She also takes all of my photos on Instagram as well. That's my cousin helping me out. She's not really into taking photos. We're trying to get her comfortable in front of the camera, but I appreciate her help. And that's about it, guys. We're going to wrap up the video here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.